wanted to give you this short video tutorial of how to use the math editor included in Blackboard. Here's a test question that has provided me with a place to type in an answer. This is usually an essay or a longer response question. This button right here launches the math editor. The math editor gives you templates that you can use to help format answers as you would write them in if you were doing it in handwriting. For example, if I want to create a unit fraction as an answer to a test, I can click the fraction button, and then I'm able to type in, say, 1 foot to 12 inches. And that will create a unit fraction. When I'm ready to display that, I just click Accept. If I now see that it's not quite what I wanted to put in, I can let my cursor over the format and drag it out so the whole thing is highlighted in blue. And notice that the Math Editor button then becomes gray, so I can click it again, and it will allow me to edit that. For example, suppose I intended to not just put in the unit fraction, but another fraction that represents a calculation I need to make. I can put in the multiplication. And now I'd like to show that I'm striking out the inches. Well, notice that there are additional tabs with other formattings and symbols that are commonly used in mathematics. If you go to the Decorations tab, this will give you two different types of strikeouts. You highlight what you want to strike out and click either one of these. And then you can finish out with your process. We'll go back, fill in the fraction, 36 feet over 12, which is equal to 3 feet. And when you have it again as you want it, just click Accept, and it shows up. If you don't see the pop-up box when you first click the Launch Math Editor button, you may see a small symbol up here that is blocking your pop-ups. You will need to allow the pop-ups in order for it to be able to show. You would just click the small symbol that pops up right there, and you get an option to do that. That's all you need to do to be able to use the function editor tool that's included right in Blackboard.